What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, a quick one. If you're ever in the market for one of these portable air conditioners, all right, sometimes, well, all the time, you can vent these through the window. All right, what I like to do is I don't like the way they look, and that's the reason I buy these, because I don't want to see something hanging in the window. So what I do, you got to make sure it's going to be somewhere where in that room you're going to keep it located, you know? I like to drill out, okay? Drill out, put a dryer vent in, and we're going to hook the exhaust vent right up to it, okay? The one thing different about this and a dryer vent, I don't know if you can tell by looking at it, but a dryer vent's only 4 inches. This guy's 6 inches. All these air conditioners are 6 inch. You can get a reducer. You go right here. That's 6 inch. And I put the hole in there, all right? So you obviously have to go and get yourself a 6 inch, right here, 6 inch exhaust hood, all right? Vent right out of the side, it's got the vents. And what I do need to buy for this, I'll show you what it looks like. Right here, this will be on the side of the house. Turn on the air conditioner, obviously it'll open, close. I want to get a bird cage, you know, keep the birds out. That's one thing I didn't find. I might have to order it online. They didn't have it there at the depot, or they might have, I just missed it. So that's it. You want to take your vent from the back of your AC unit, and these things are flexible, and this will fit, the sleeve will go right over this, and I'll show you when I get the sleeve put in and I screw it in from the outside. Come outside to where the hole is, you take this out, okay, so it kind of locks in. Plastic slots on the inside of this, right here, okay, then you have little plastic slots on here, so you're going to fit it, and you're going to line up the slots. Give me a minute here. Okay, you push it down. Plastic. Yep, they're all clicked in the spaces. All right. So now what you're going to do, obviously, you know, fix this up a little bit. Make sure your louvers are pointing down. All right, so we're gonna get it flush against the wall and we're gonna send some screws in. Send a couple of screws in. Go easy, it's plastic. You don't wanna sorry about that. Nice and snug. Come over here. Get this top corner. Okay. Okay, that's all snug. Still want to put a bead of caulk along the top of this, so when the rain comes down, water, it's not going to get inside there, and I will fill this channel here. I'll put a bit of caulk here so it runs right off, all right? All right, now that we have the piece coming in here from the outside, this is the easy part. You're going to take this guy, and he fits inside. He fits on the inside of this snug, and you're going to push it all the way down till it doesn't go anymore. And if you want, you can run a little bit of the heating and air conditioning tape, the shiny tape. I don't know the name of it, but you know what I'm talking about. So let's put this inside the sleeve. Here you go. Once you put it in, like I said, it slides all the way in. I'm not concerned about cutting this any shorter because this is a dead corner, and I can still move this guy around if I want. Okay. Corner of the room, and obviously every unit's different. You got to read the instructions. I picked this one up at the Home Depot. It's an 8,000 BTU. It's good for a little bit over 200 square feet. Here, I could put the tape around this, but this is so sealed and it's so in there tight, you can't even get this out if you tried to pull it. So that's fine. I'm not going to run the tape around it. So that's it. That's how you put in a wall vent for a portable AC unit. All right, you know what we got to do now. All right, wait a minute. Sonny! Sonny? Use that freaking towel again. Come on, cuz. Sonny? Sonny? Sonny. Oh, there you are, Sonny. You're following me the whole time. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.
Yes, Sonny.